bro. Cups are so sweaty.
I'm playing Fortnite.
Oh my... Bruh, what the fuck? Bruh, stop! What did you... Are you doing that on purpose? Your mic's not working. Stop! What the fuck was that? What the fuck? What? Bro, I think...
Bro,
Are you
is
back?
it broken still?
No, it's not. Oh my god, we got
Bro,
the...
I don't know.
we got-
I didn't even notice it was doing that. My bad,
Did you
bro.
hear it?
No, I didn't. I just
fucking
looked over, my
stepped the
thing was lit up,
drop.
and I
I
was like,
wasn't looking at the screen. Oh my god, bro.
what did it sound like, bro? What?
Oh, you can... Ah, it's doing it again! Ah! Stop, turn that shit off, bro!
Bro, I think
What the fuck? That was crazy. That was funny as hell.
it just wasn't like plugged in right or something.
What does it sound like?
Bro, you gonna make me choke.
Oh my god.
What does it sound like?
Bro, it actually sounded like a taser.
But I was not expecting to be that loud.
It was so loud. What do you think it was?
I think it just wasn't plugged in right.
No kidding. Bro, I was hearing the electricity. Oh my god.